Next, true or false. If x and y are in direct proportion, then x minus y and y minus y are also in direct proportion. Okay, let's check this. X is directly proportional to y, so both in numerator. So x equals to ky. K is constant. Now what we'll do? Put it x minus y for and y minus y for both. So x minus y equals to k into y minus y. Means instead of x we'll write x minus y 1, sorry, and instead of y we'll write y minus 1. So it will be what? X minus 1 equals to k into y minus 1. But what is that? It remains the same. So x is directly proportional, x minus 1 is directly proportional to y minus 1. So it's again direct proportion. Answer is true. Wait guys, I think so this answer is wrong because it can't happen. Proportion means what? Their ratio should be equal. It means what? This answer should be false. It should not be true. Because here, what does this line mean? X upon y means direct proportion means x upon y should always be constant. This small some part is correct. Okay, first two lines are correct of this. So if you take y on the other side, so x upon y equals to constant. So x upon y equals to constant. So what does it the question say? X minus 1 upon y minus 1 is also the same constant. So x upon y equals to x minus 1 upon y minus 1. Let's try with some number. X is 3, y is 6. So 3 minus 1 2 upon 6 minus 1 5. So 2 upon 5 is same as 3 upon 6? No. That's why the answer is false. Okay? See this. See here guys, everyone makes mistakes in life. So correcting the mistake immediately is important. There can be no person in this world who doesn't make any mistake. But we have to learn some lessons from this, because the data given to me was wrong. But we must apply our own minds and correct the mistakes immediately. Okay? Let's move on to next. Next, if x and y are in inverse proportion, then x plus 2 and y plus 2 are also in inverse proportion. Similar to that of the earlier one, it is false. Because take x as 3 and y as 6. So 3 upon 6 equals to 3 plus 2 upon 6 plus 2 means 5 upon 8. Is it so? No. So this is false. Next, if two quantities x and y are said to be vary directly with each other if x upon y equals to k, where k is a positive constant. So yeah, that is right, because x is directly proportional to y, so x equals to ky, so x upon y equals to k, so that's why it is true. Now only one catch in this is k is a positive constant. Now suppose I say k equals to minus 3, then what? Means x equals to minus 3 into y. Okay, means x is 2 and y is say whatever x is. Say let's take this example, x is 4 and y equals to minus 2, then k equals to minus 2. Input this value of k in the other series or other numbers given. So x is 6 and y equals to minus 3. Again k comes out to be minus 2. So it means that k should not be a positive constant only. It can be any constant, right? Only it should be constant. That's why I have written only constant, right? Important part in this, remember. Next, when the distance is kept fixed, then the speed and time vary inversely with each other. So what is distance? Speed into time. Now this is kept as constant. So speed into time. What do you mean? What is the definition of direct proportion or inverse proportion? Inverse means the product of these two should be constant. That's what is called as inverse. And if the division of these two is constant, then it's called as direct proportion. So if distance is kept constant, then what? S into t means speed into time will be constant. So this is indirect. That's why the answer is true. Download Yuva Guru app from Play Store to get these videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, Learn tables up to 30, squares up to 30 and cubes up to 15 by heart. These are useful to you, for you throughout your life for various competitive exams. So we have separate videos for them. Sync behind those videos and you'll learn them within 3 months. But do it on a daily basis. Keep studying, keep watching. Thanks.